We've been here for a month.
You know, there's a huge spider web on this chair.
Dude, yeah, we've been here for a month
Where?
right now, and we have like nothing else to
We
do.
only have the light that
No, we only have this. Look, this is all we do.
This is like we have some weapons.
Yeah.
It's not that great out here, I have to say.
Crap, dude. I think this came here.
Annabelle.
Dude, do you hear that noise?
That's Alex. Just trying to keep us out. So I have my phone charger with me so we can record
This
this.
charger's gonna fall off.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
Jesus.
Dude,
Guys,
that
do you
is
literally hear that?
Oh, dude, it is a snail.
Guys, you hear that zombie noise?
Yes, it's just there's a. Dude, you just killed the snail.
Dude, that snail's already dead.
Could I keep it?
No, the snail's alive!
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! It's just sleeping.
Seriously, it's so slow.
Oh shoot! You're alive.
Guys,
But we have been here
dude,
a long
there's so
time.
many zombies.
No, there's.
This is our little cabin.
Tension.
This is our little cabin right here. Look.
Yeah, we've been going in the woods for a while. We still have electricity, which is nice.
Yeah. And
What are
our
you doing?
And we're like in the middle of the woods.
We're like it's like a tiny cabin. Somehow we still have electricity. That means somebody's around here. I'm just recording
Crap, do you
this
guys hear that?
because I'm recording this because
Dude.
we're lost. I know.
Dude, it's
I know.
3 a.m. Guys, this is why we brought
Dude,
our
those
weapons.
are like clickbait videos.
I know, but look, we have our weapons.
Yeah, we're like
You gotta
Jason.
get out of here.
Dude, you guys.
No, we have to go.
Dude, what the heck?
We have to investigate so we can protect our house.
Dude.
Of course.
Dude, did you see that thing move by itself?
It's wild, bruh.
Dude, come on. Dude, we literally saw that by ourselves.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot!